Alright, so we're going to do some demonstrations of Waltress version 0.5. So first we're going to decompile a Gecko insert ASM code. What we got here is a redefies conditional out of bounds version 2.0. We'll take the NTSCU version just for this example, and we'll make a code.bin with it. We'll save that to the Waltress folder, and it has to be named code.bin, but if you're using a txt it can be code.txt, but here's code.bin. Save it, check on it, and it's in the Waltress folder. And then we're going to head over to the Wii and decompile it. Alright, we're back at the Wii. Got the SD card plugged in. Let's load up Waltress version 0.5. Alright, so since we're working with a code.bin, we're going to press X to disassemble it. But if we're using a code.txt, we would press B instead. So we're going to press X on the GCN controller. And now we need to choose what option we're going to use. And it was an insert ASM, so I'm using a GCN, so I have to press the L button. Success. And now what we can do is we can delete the original input file, which in this case it was code.bin. So we'll press B to delete and then exit back to HBC. And now we can load up something like Wii Explorer and check it out. Alright, here we go. It's decompiled or disassembled into a source.s. Open up in the text editor. And there's the Gecko header right there. Pretty cool. All the instructions of the code. Waltress does assign immediate values differently than other compilers, as you can see right here. It's a little different. If you're using Waltress, read the README and read the format.txt. So now we have a source.s. We'll just reopen it really quick. We can recompile this back into a Gecko cheat code, but we'll recompile it to a code.txt. Let's do that. Load up Waltress. Alright, so now we're going to assemble. We'd press A to assemble to a code.txt, but if you wanted to assemble back to a code.bin, a binary file, I would be pressing Y button because I have a GCN controller, but we're going to press A to assemble, and we're successful. We'll delete the input file because we don't need it, so there we go. Load back up Wii Explorer. And we have a code.txt. Let's load it up. Now as you can see, we have a finished cheat code that we can work with. Pretty cool. So yes, Waltress, when you're assembling, or should I say compiling, I guess, Gecko codes, you need to use the appropriate Gecko header. Like I mentioned before, just when you download, you want to test out Waltress, read the README and read format.txt. A lot of strict format requirements still have to be followed in your source.s file and whatnot. So, alright, thanks for watching.